What is this shit? This is blue.
We use a different chemical process, but it is every bit as pure.
Maybe blue, but it's the bomb.
Ah, tight, yeah. Ah, blue, yellow, pink. Whatever, man, just keep bringing me that. Oh.
4.6.
Come on. And what did I say, man? This guy can cook. You're all right, man. You're all right. We're gonna make a lot of money together.
Just remember who you're working for.
What did you say?
I'm just saying, they gotta know that they're working for you.
Like they don't already know that? Are you saying that they're stupid?
Nah, I'm just saying.
Okay, so you're not saying that they're stupid. So I don't understand. Are you saying that I'm stupid?
Nah, come on, Tuco, I'm just saying.
No, you're just speaking for me. Like I ain't got the goddamn sense to speak for myself. Is that it? Is that what you're doing?
Tuco. Hey, why don't we all just relax, huh?
Heisenberg says, relax. Órale, Holmes. I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed.